Vintage Outboard Motor fans. This is T-Mike here in South Louisiana, making a video today. The Bayou test run on a 1969 Evinrude 18 horsepower. Out here on Bayou test this morning on a cold January day. It's about 37 degrees outside. Got the motor warmed up here. Take her out for a test run, see how she does. Alright, we got her out here on the bayou this morning. She's a beauty. I'm kind of scared to run her on this little 14-foot feathercraft. She might be too much motor for me. What the heck? I'm a little crazy. Let's see what she does. Here we go. Oh yeah, she's a beast. She runs great. Let's see how fast she'll go. Yeah, well, when I got to 25 miles an hour, I got off of it, so it'll do better than 25 on this little 14-foot boat. Great motor. It's for a customer of mine named Robert out of New Orleans. I did a tune-up on it. It was missing spark. I changed the condensers and the points on it and set them, and it runs great. And I also did a impeller gear oil change out on it. She's good to go for you, Robert. Let's take her on in. Ça fait chaud! It's cold out here. Ça fait froid. Chaud is hot, froid is cold. Ça fait froid aujourd'hui. It's cold today. Hope you enjoyed the video. See y'all next time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Au revoir mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler.